AI influencers
AI influencers.
AI influencers.
AI influencers
are making $3,000,
$7,000.
$10,000.
$5,000 per month.
Yes, you heard that right. AI influencers are earning thousands of dollars each month.
This girl is beautiful, isn't it? But you don't know it's fake. There are many accounts on Instagram and TikTok sites that belong to famous characters who are never in existence and are only made by artificial intelligence. So today, I will explain to you how to make a personality like it from one to the other. That is, from creating an account to publishing photos and videos. Just watch the video till the end and will understanding all the steps. First, before the beginning of the explanation, I want to tell you not to use this method in something that may harm you or anyone. This is a warning to people with malicious intention. This is just an educational video, and thank you. Let's begin. First, you must open a new account on Instagram or TikTok, and I gave it the name Amelia Mabin because I chose to be my influencer in girl social media. So we will need a profile picture, photos, and videos to publish it, in addition to the bio so that it can appear as an account for a real influencer. First, to create the profile picture, we must create the face of our own character. So we will go to Artflow, it will appear with us this interface. We will go to the studio image and then click on Create Image. Here this interface will appear with you. Here you will weave this prompt or describe your personality yourself. That is, how do you want the color of its hair? Do you want it without white or brunette skin? The color of its eyes, and so on. I will only be satisfied with this prompt. After copying it, we paste it here, then make sure that here the option should appear realistic with you, and then click on Generate. You will be waiting until the 4 pictures appear with you. After the photos appear, we will download them in this way. We will download them with the 4. Now that we have made the face, you will ask me how we will make other pictures with the same face. Follow the explanation. First, we will use 2 simple methods. The first is that we will go either to Google and look for a picture of a beautiful young woman, and we download it. Or we will go to the Pinterest site and we will search for pictures of an attractive girl. I'll download the photos that I liked and I want to use. Now, after downloading the photos, we'll go to this site called Remarker AI. Here in the first box, I will put the pictures that we downloaded before. For example, I will put these here. And then here we will put the face picture in this way. Then we press the swap. We will be waiting a little. Then the picture will appear with us like this. We do this process with another photo. Now we will raise the quality of the image to 4K to be 100% similar to the truth. Now we will go to the enhancement image CapCut in this way. Here we download the photo, and then here we choose the quality, we will choose 4K. And then here, we will be waiting for the picture to appear. And from here we will download it. Now this image, we will use it as a profile picture in this way. It looks so real. Now we will move on to the second step. In this step, we will use these pictures to post as a new post, so follow up with me now. We will return to the Artflow website, and then we will ask him to make a picture of a beautiful girl on the beach. And we'll be a little wait until the 4 pictures appear with us. After its appearance, we will download them all. Then we will return again to the marker, and we will change the face of each image separately, as we did before. In this way, we hurt until the pictures appear with us. You will ask me what is the difference between the first and the second way. The difference is that this image that is made by AI, there is no such it on the internet. After that, then you will change the size of the images to fit Instagram. In this way, we choose each image, then we click on Edit icon, then we select this size and we click Save the same process. We apply it to all the pictures. So, now we will go to enhancement photos by CapCut as we did before, then we will increase the quality of photos in this way one by one, and it is better to choose the quality of 4K, because as you know, Instagram will often reduce the quality of the photos when they are published. After we're done now, we'll go and post it on our account. In this way, it's better that you put a description of the photos. I'll just say perfect day. As for the bio, we will go to a famous account, and we will copy its bio and ask ChatGPT to rewrite it in another wording. We copy it and add it in our profile like this. Now it's the stage of making videos. This paragraph, I'll introduce you several sites you can use. You're free to another one of them or use them all. The first site is called Microcreate. This site can only use it once every day. That is, you can only make a video every 24H. Before that, you must search for videos of girls dancing us either on TikTok or Instagram. You download it and then put it here. Then here we will put the face picture of our character. Then we click on the swap face now. If you have used it before, this message appears that I can't use it today until tomorrow. This is only about the free feature. To use it more than once, you must change your IP using VPN applications. You can search for an explanation of how they work. The second site, its name is Google Colab. This site provides you with this feature for free without a specified number, but it takes time and does not work on all devices. This is his face. First, you will press here, then you will wait a little until it is finished and then appear next to it marked with green. Then you press the run button for the second part. It will not take time as the first. Then you will upload the image and video that you want to change the face in this way. After that, you will delete this sentence so that you do not have any problem in the quality of the video. Then you will copy the path of the video and replace this sentence with it. As you can see, the same thing for the image. You copy the path of the image and you return here and change this sentence of the image in this way. Now you will press run and you will be a little waiting until it is finished. A new file called swapped will appear with you here. Then download and download it. Now I will present to you the latest site that provides you with the first time you use 5 token. That is, you can make 5 videos. Its name is Unboring AI, but it is less quality than the first sites. The important thing is from here you upload the video that you want to change face. Then you will wait a little. Then from here you can add the face picture that you want to add. Then you press the swap face. You will wait a little while until the video appears with you and you will be able to download it from the button below this way. We have reached the end of the video. Please use these sites only to create photos and videos of your AI personality and publish them only on your account and not to use them in other things. Thank you. We meet in a new video.